Hi, this is Dave Johnson with Day Trade the Markets. Today is Wednesday, June the 27th, 2017. Just gotten short here at 24.3350. This is the emini S&P. We're looking at a 2-minute chart. So I'm a little bit slow. I apologize for that, getting the video recording equipment going here. But was short on a break here, as you can see at 24.3350, as the market came down and tested into this area here. We had really good buying in here. It's all below yesterday's value, so this is an attempt to go back up into yesterday's value. You can see it's sort of a our software creates sort of a boxed area in here. So when it broke down below here, went ahead and got short just with a stop order. So short from 24.3350. So I am expecting this market to come down and make new lows for the day. I think it's got some fairly good strength in there. We're also getting a fairly nice sell-off in the NASDAQ, which I'm kind of keeping my eye on because it has been even more bearish. And not that these two always trade in sync, they don't, but it's good that they are working together. You'd want them to be working in the same direction, certainly not against each other, so that is a plus. So we have this short position, and I am going to go ahead and put in a protective buy stop, and I'm going to put it right at the entry price. Now that the market's moved a couple of points in our favor, I'm going to put that right at 24.3350. I'm also going to put an order in to buy half of this position back, and I think what I'll do is I'm going to put it down in here fairly close to the low of the day. So I'm going to put it at 24.3050. So we're going to try and buy 4 of these contracts back here. So fairly close to the low of the day. It's about a point above the low of the day. And the market will likely come down, test the low of the day, and have a bit of a bounce. So remains to be seen, obviously, whether or not it gets down there. But if in fact it does, what kind of bounce it does have, it could, meaning it has potential to turn things around. So I want to go ahead and at least take some profits at that point. So that's really it for now. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording, and I will pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording here. We just got filled just a moment ago right here. I put a marker in at our price. If you recall, that was a buy limit at 24.3050 for a 3-point gain. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this stop. I'm going to bring it down a little bit to here. And I'm also going to change that to 4 contracts because we're just now short 4 after being short 8 initially. I put it just above here, just above this area here is where the stop is now. So I am really, though, expecting this market to come down and make new lows for the day. And as a result, I'm going to go ahead and put another buy limit order in, this time at new lows. Not just right at the low of the day, which is at 29.25, but I'm going to bring it down in here to 27.50 to buy limit 2, just so we've got a resting order in there. And I'm also going to put a marker in here where we have adjusted the stop to. So just want to bring you up to date on that. Once again, pause the recording and start it back up when needed. Okay, just restarted the recording. Just want to update here. I'm going to go ahead and adjust this stop. You can see here that we are making new lows after we had that little bit of a bounce once we had gotten filled here. So making these new lows here, you can see the market did pop up and give us what we call a deceleration bar. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the stop to just a tick above that at 31.50. So that'll lock in at least a couple of points on the second half of the position. And we still, of course, have our buy limit here. Okay, we just made a 1-tick new low. You can see that the earlier low of the day right here, I'll just draw that in. You can see that the earlier low of the day right here at 29.25. So we've just made a new low. Okay, it's still continuing down. That's good. It's what we expected. So things are looking good. We've adjusted our stop, and hopefully we'll get filled on the second objective fairly soon. So just want to bring you up to date on that. And once again, I'll pause the recording. Okay, just resuming the recording. We did not get filled down here, so I'm going to cancel that, but we did get filled at our stop buy stop right here. So this fill not being completed, or the order there on the buyback on the short. So we ended up with 3 points on one half of the position and 2 points on the other half of the position. So it still worked out pretty good. I think the thing that I liked about this trade was when you have a market open below value and then pop up into it and then consolidate like this, sort of box formation where you've got a nice vertical move here, very little follow through, and then when it comes back down and takes out the low of that box area, you want to get on board, because that's a break from the consolidation here. So it did give us a good move. We did make a slightly new low, but it's popped up here on it. So still worked out well. So at any rate, if you have any questions, you can reach us. By the way, I think I said the wrong date at the beginning of this recording. Today is Tuesday, June 27th, 2017. I think I might have said Wednesday. So at any rate, if you got any questions, whatever, please get a hold of us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.